Hello everyone, well, welcome back to this channel. This is tmath247. Today we'll be looking at exponential functions. So what do we mean by exponential functions? I said when an unknown is the power of a function, I is the power of a number, then it is an exponential function. So we are going to look at this example. So let us consider this example. A, we have 3 to the power of x equals 81. So we can write this as 3 to the power of x equals 81 can be expressed in power of 3. So that is 3 to the power of 4 will give us 81. So this 3 can cancel this 3. Therefore, we can say that x equals 4. So for B, for question B, we have 27 to the power of x plus 2 equals 81 to the power of x. So we can write 27, we can express 27 in power of 3. We can also express 81 in power of 3. So for 27, that's 3 in 3 places. That's 3 to the power of 3. Then in brackets, this is 27. 3 to the power of 3. Then s is power 2 plus, 2 raised to power 3 in bracket to the power of s plus 2 equals 81 can also be expressed in power of 3, which is 3 to the power of 4 in brackets, then x. So we have to open this bracket. So we have 3 to the power of this 3 will multiply this x. That will give us 3 to the power of x plus this 3 will multiply 2. That will give us 6 equal to, we open this bracket, that is we use this 4. It's a pure power. It will also multiply this x. So from our power law, that is 3 to the power of 4x. So we observe that the base are the same, the bases are the same. So this base can cancel this base. So we'll be left with 3x plus 6 equals 4x. So from here we can collect like terms. We carry this 3x to this side so that we have 3x plus 6 equals 4x. Or rather, we collect like terms, we carry this 3x to the other side. So we have 4x minus 3x. So 6 now equals x. Therefore, we can say that our x equals 6. So that's for the second question. Then for C, we have open bracket 0.25 to the power of x minus 1 equals 32. So 0.25, we can change 0.25 to a fraction. This is decimal, a decimal number, so we express it as fraction. So we can write it as 25 over 100. We remove the points, we multiply by 100 over, we multiply by 100 then all over 100 or so. So to the power of s minus 1 equals then 32. We have to write 32. So 25 there 1, 25 goes in 100, that is 4 times. We now have 1 over 4 to the power of x minus 1 equals 32. So we now have 1 over 4 is the same thing as 1 over 2 to the power of 2, because we can express 4 as a power of 2. Then in bracket to the power of x minus 1, which is equal to 32. So and this will be equal to, if we do this, we can have 2 to the power of negative 2 from the law of indices. When we have 1 over x, same thing as s to the power of negative 1. So 1 over 2 to the power of 2 is same thing as 2 raised to the power negative 2. then in brackets, then x minus 1 equal to 32. So when we solve this, we have 2 to the power of negative 2 multiplied by x. That will give us negative 2x. Then plus negative 2 multiplied by this negative 1. We have positive 2. I said negative 2 multiplied by x. That will give us negative 2x. Then this negative 2 multiplied by negative 1. That will give us positive 2 equal to then 32. And express 32 in power of 2, which is the same thing as 2 raised to the power of 5. And then we observe that this is the same thing as the base, that is the same. So we cancel it out, so we'll be left with negative 2x plus 2 equals 5. So we collect like terms. That is, we have negative 2x equals 5 minus 2. So that negative 2x equals 3. We divide both sides by negative 2 over negative 2. This we cancel this. So our x equals negative 1 over 1 over 2. So that's for the third question. Then the last question. So D, the last question. Say 9 to the power of x minus 3 to the power of x minus 6 equals 0. So 9 can be written in power of 2. In power of 3 rather. So we can have 9 as 3 to the power of 2 in brackets, then this x is it. Minus 3 to the power of x, then minus 6 equals 0. So we have 3 to the power of these 2 multiply this x, that will give us 2x minus 3 to the power of x minus 6 equals 0. So we can as well write 3 to the power of 2x as 3 to the power of x in brackets, then 2. Since 2 multiplied by x will still give us 2x. Then minus 3 to the power of x minus 6 equals 0. So from here we say let 3 to the power of x equals p. Any letter we like you can choose. So I'm equating it to p. So wherever we see 3 to the power of x in this equation, we substitute p. That means we have 3 to the power of x is here, so we put p there. Then this square, this is the square. Minus this 3 to the power of x, we put p there. Then minus 6 equals 0. We observe that this has turned to a quadratic equation. So we look for the two numbers that we multiply together. We are going to get negative 6. But when we add that same numbers together, we are going to get negative 1 because the coefficient of p here is negative 1. So the numbers that we will multiply together, that we get negative 6, and at the same time we add together, we get negative 1, can only be negative 3, then positive 2. So when we multiply this, we get negative 6. When we add, we get negative 1. So we come in and write, therefore, we have p squared minus 3p, then plus 2p minus 6 equals 0. So we factorize now. Therefore, we have p into bracket p minus 3 close bracket plus what is common to this and this? That's 2 open bracket p minus 3 close bracket equals 0. So we have 0 here. Therefore, we say that p minus 3 into bracket p plus 2 equals 0. Therefore, p equals 3 or p equals negative 2. So we've gotten the values of our p. but we need to get the value of x. So in this case, we now substitute it. We are going to say that when when p equals 3. So we come back to this. We come back to this equation where we say 3 to the power of x equals p. So anyway, since we have p here, we substitute. Therefore, 3 to the power of x equals 3 to the power of equals to 3, right? So this 3 is written as 3 to the power of 1. Then this base can cancel this base, so that our s equals 1. Again, we say that when p equals negative 2, because we got 2 answers here, when p equals negative 2. So we come back to this again and say that 3 to the power of x equals negative 2, since we said that p equals negative 2. So, but for this, we see that this solution is not valid. So here we say it is not a valid solution. So we can't proceed from here. It is not valid. So we stop here. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do well to like, comment, and as well subscribe, so that you can get more videos. Thank you.